let us learn how to continue the long division to get 0 in the quotient. Please follow the below rules so that you do not make any mistakes. Also, remember the flowchart. Let us solve 1001 divided by 5 by applying the rules. Let us apply rule 1. Take the digits from the left of the dividend until the number is greater than or equal to the divisor. Then divide. In this case, first consider the leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 1. Observe the number considered 1 is less than the divisor 5. So, division is not possible. So, as per the rule 1, consider the next digit also. Now, the number becomes 10, which is greater than the divisor 5. So, divide. 5 twos are 10. So, you will get 0 as the remainder. Now, rule 1 is complete. Observe, rule 2 is not applicable in this case because 1001 is not a decimal. Let us apply rule 3. When digits are available, bring down the next digit from the dividend. In this case, bring down 0. Now, rule 3 is complete. Observe, now the number is 0, which is less than the divisor 5. So, division is not possible. Let us apply rule 4. If the number is less than the divisor, write 0 in the quotient, then multiply divisor by 0 and subtract 0 from the remainder. So, 5 zeros are 0. So, you will get 0 again as the remainder. Now, rule 4 is complete. Let us apply rule 3 again. When digits are available, bring down the next digit from the dividend. In this case, bring down 1. Now, rule 3 is complete second time. Observe, now the number is 1, which is less than the divisor 5. So, division is not possible. So, let us apply rule 4 again. If the number is less than the divisor, write 0 in the quotient, then multiply divisor by 0 and subtract 0 from the remainder. 5 zeros are 0. So, you will get 1 as the remainder. Now, rule 4 is complete second time. Observe, there are no more digits available on the dividend to bring down. Let us apply rule 3 again. When no more digits are available, put a decimal point in the quotient And in the dividend, if it is not already present, then add 0 to the right of the decimal in the dividend and bring down 0. Got it? Now, rule 3 is complete third time. Observe. Now, the number is 10, which is greater than the divisor 5. Let us apply rule 4 again. If the number is greater than or equal to the divisor, then divide. 5 twos are 10, so you will get 0 as the remainder and 200.2 as the quotient. Now the division is complete because no more digits of the dividend are available to bring down and the remainder is 0. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of long division and divisibility rules, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist from beginning to end.